Hi, my name is Bo Sanchez. Do you want guidance for your financial growth? Alam ko, meron kang mga financial dreams. Meron kang mga pangarap sa buhay. Gusto mong tumulong sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. There are certain dreams that you have and they require money. Gusto mong mag-donate sa simbahan. Ang dami mong kabutihan na gusto mong gawin. And what I'd like to share with you is we started 13 years ago the Truly Rich Club. Ang dami-dami na namin natulungan para paano ba mag-grow? Paano ba mag-save? Paano ba mag-invest? Paano ba mag-invest sa stock market? Paano ba magkaroon ng bagong mindset na iba na ang relationship mo sa pera? Healthy na. You know? For many people, it's a dysfunctional relationship. No, we're gonna help you have a healthier relationship with money. Babalik ako sa stock market. We will even tell you what stocks to buy and what stocks to sell. Every month, we're going to do that. We're gonna guide you. You know, we've had the joy na for the past 13 years, marami na kaming mga members na nakita namin nag-grow sa financial life. Yung iba, naging milyonaryo na at multi-billionaire after years of investing. Friends, can I warn you? Hindi po ito rich quick scheme. Hindi po. Kung gusto nyo po yon, don't listen to me. Naku, maraming scam dyan. Delikado yan. Ito, napakabagal. Pero, may katahimikan at makakatulog ka sa gabi. Bakit? Yung pera mo that we will tell you, o doon mo ilagay, o dito mo ilagay, mga higanteng kumpanya na for the next 10 years, 20, 30, 40, 50 years, nandyan yan, hindi mawawala yan, parang bula. I want you to know, ito yung gusto namin para sa'yo. Certain financial growth over time na may katahimikan sa puso. No? And I want to invite you, come, join us, investigate, learn more about the Truly Rich Club. Click that link now, get to know about the Truly Rich Club on how you can reach your financial dreams. God bless you.